This is chives and eggs with sweet sauce. Ito oh. Lagyan ko lang. Nagsano lang siya scrambled egg and chives and fry. Yun, little oil. Hindi na ako naglagay ng salt. I didn't put salt because I add some sweet soy sauce. Yun lang. It's my lunch for today. Pwede ding huwag ka na maglagay ng soy sauce if you want plain egg and chives lang. No salt at all. Just plain lang ang egg flavor and chives. At then, I add some sweet sauce para more yummy. Let's eat.